वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी अकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का चैप्टर नंबर 4 सेमेस्टर 2 एसएस द सुप्रीम कोर्ट का पार्ट 2 है। क्वेश्चन 4 से आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 sentences। इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ हायरार्की ऑफ कोर्ट इज फॉलोड इन आवर कंट्री टू इम्पार्ट जस्टिस? द आंसर इज, in our country there is a consistent and well planned judiciary system of the taluka court, then the district court, the high court and finally we have the supreme court। ठीक है, ये कर्सिव राइटिंग में अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है, तो अच्छी तरह से एक परफेक्ट चेक कीजिएगा। ये आर है, आर वाई है, ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आप लिख सकते हो। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, where is the Supreme Court of our country located? The answer is, the Supreme Court by our country located in Delhi। क्वेश्चन 4 का क्वेश्चन थर्ड है, which court is the highest among all courts of our country? The answer is, the Supreme Court of our country hold the highest position among all courts in our country। क्वेश्चन 4 है, which disputes does the Supreme Court solve? The answer is, the Supreme Court resolve dispute between citizens and the government, between states and between the center and any state। क्वेश्चन 5 है, who protested against increasing the height of the Narmada Dam above 110 meters? The answer is, environmentalist organization and NGOs from Madhya Pradesh were fighting for the right of tribal people protested against increasing the height of Narmada Dam located near Navagam above 110 meters. They wanted to protect the right of tribal people who would lose their land and habitat forever due to this project। Page number 35, question 6, in which year and in whose favor did the Supreme Court pass judgment regarding the height of the Narmada Dam? The answer is, on March 8, 2006, the Supreme Court passed a judgment to resolve the conflict between the two states concerning the Narmada project case about the height of the dam. The judgment was in favor of Gujarat state। Question 7, what will happen if powerful or influential people control the judiciary? The answer is, should the judges be under anyone's influences or if they are controlled by any influential or powerful people, they will not be able to give impartial judgment। Question 8, in our constitution, what has the judiciary been kept independent of? The answer is, the judiciary of our country is independent of the legislature and the executive body। Question 9, who protect the fundamental rights of citizen? The answer is, High Court and Supreme Court protect the fundamental rights of citizens। Question 10, what arrangement has the Supreme Court made to ensure that people also get justice? The answer is, to ensure that the poor people get justice, the Supreme Court announced the provision of the public interest legislation PIL in 1980। Question 11, why is it difficult for poor people to go to the court? The answer is, it is very difficult for poor people to go to court and demand justice because they are illiterate and have to earn their living on a daily basis। Question 12, when can the Supreme Court itself pass a judgment in the public interest? The answer is, if the Supreme Court feels that the fundamental rights of any one group of society and being threatened, it can take an interest in the case and pass a judgment in favor of the people. Page number 13. What does the High Court or Supreme Court do if the public interest legislation regarding fundamental rights is appropriate? The answer is, should the High Court or Supreme Court find any bill regarding fundamental rights and or their implementation inappropriate, then it may punish the person, group, institution concerned. Page number 36 in question 5, answer the following question briefly. First question, explain the hierarchy of court followed in our country. The answer is, in our country, a hierarchy of court is in place to impart justice. It starts with the lowest court known as the Taluka court, which is succeeded by the district court, then come the High Court, and finally the Supreme Court or the highest court of the country. This hierarchy of court is known as the judiciary. The judiciary is one of the most important organ of the government and it is well knit and continuous process. Question 2 है, why is judiciary independent? The answer is, should the judges be under anyone's influence or if they are controlled by any influential or powerful people, they will not be able to give impartial judgment. Therefore, our constitution does not allow any such interference. Consequently, the judiciary is independent of the legislature and the executive body. Question 3 है, state the various judgment given by different court in the case of Ratlam Municipality. The answer is, the various judgment given by different courts in the case of Ratlam Municipality are as follow. In first point, Vedic by the Taluka court, the municipality and town improvement trust have failed in their duty of maintaining cleanliness. Both the institutions are ordered to cleanse the place with immediate effect. The work of a closed drainage should be completed within 15 days. However, the municipality challenged this verdict in the Ratlam district court. The following is the ruling of the district court. Second, the judgment of the Taluka court is hereby declared unfair. The verdict was challenged by the resident. They went to the High Court. The High Court sustained the judgment of the Taluka court but added some words to it. The following is the verdict of the High Court. Third, for closed drainage system, 7-month times is given instead of 15 days. The pits should be filled with soil to stop water accumulation and mosquito breeding. The work should be completed within 2 years. The Ratlam municipality, being unhappy with the verdict, appealed to the Supreme Court. However, the Supreme Court sustained the judgment of the Taluka court and further ordered that, fourth, the chemical and dye plant which were responsible for the pollution should be closed with the joint efforts of municipality and the state गवर्नमेंट। तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर पूरा का पूरा कवर होता है। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलता है, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय।